this is Ellen, the Family History Hound, and I wanted to show you how you can organize your account in Forever. So the first step is to upload some files to your account. So there's several ways you can do that. You can either go to the main page and go to Gallery, Albums, Tags, People, or Connections, or you can go to the profile icon, and then down below you'll see Gallery, Albums, Tags, People, and Print projects. So same thing, more than one way to get there. So let's go to the gallery first. Now you can upload to your gallery or to your albums, and in some cases directly uploading to your album will save you a few steps in organizing. But let's go to gallery first. So if you go to gallery, you can click the little blue button up in the right hand corner, and then you can select the file from your computer. Now these are the supported files that you can choose. So you see there's ones for photos, documents, videos, and audio files. And so if your files are like these, then that's what you can upload. If you see something that says not supported, well, then you're going to have to change whatever it is that you're trying to upload to one of these kind of files. So you just select and upload, and it's pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to show you how uploading directly to an album might save you a few steps in your organizing. So first of all, you're going to add an album, and we're going to go test album. And I probably have many inside because I show this quite often. And you can make it private, public, connections, or groups. Now let me just tell you, private is only you can see it. Public is wide open to the internet. Connections is only people that you have asked to join you at Forever. And groups are, again, people that you've asked to join to Forever, but you're making a special group just for those things you're sharing, so the albums that you're sharing. So when I think of this, I think of genealogy. So I might have a surname album that is my Thompson side of the family, and then I could share it with my Thompson cousins. So that's why I might choose a group. But for now, I'm going to choose private, and then we're just going to go to test album, and you'll see there is more than one. Now, the reason why you might upload directly to this album is maybe you have an album or a file folder on your computer that you'd like to upload everything from that folder into a similar folder a similar album. So you can name that album the same name as you have on your computer and upload it. So you would just go start adding files. Then you're going to go here to now. So if you add the files, that means that you're taking it from the gallery and moving it into the album. But you can go directly from your computer into the album. So let me show you. So if I select the file again to upload, and if I choose a file folder, now I'm going to say blog photos, and I have quite a few. So I can select the ones that I want to upload and open them, and they will go directly into that folder. So if I had a folder that was for the Thompson family that I wanted to put in Forever, I would make an album named Thompson, and then I could upload them directly into that Thompson album. They would still be in the gallery, but you just save yourself a step from having to move it from the gallery over to the album. So that gives you an idea of what I'm trying to do. Also notice that when you're uploading, if you have this toggled over to prevent duplicates, if you already have something in your account, or if maybe you have multiple of the same file number, I don't know, maybe in multiple places on your computer, if you have it toggled to prevent duplicates, you will not get any duplicates in your Forever account. It will tell you that it did not upload those. Hope you found this helpful, and stay tuned because I will be having more videos like this to help you get organized in your Forever account. If you don't have a Forever account, notice in the show notes there will be an invitation link where you can sign up for a 2 gigabyte account, and you can give it a try, and you'll be associated with me. And I have classes every week, and you can attend if you have questions. So have a great time with your Forever account.